Good morning guys, andito ako ngayon sa may river. Parang may forest din. Tas kakain tayo, maghanap tayo ng mga berries sa daan. Eto, bumungad na sa akin yung mga berries. Ang dami. Kainin natin. Maasim-asim. Maasim pa siya. Rich in antioxidants to eh. Kuha pa tayo. Madalas kasi ako mag-walking dito. And marami akong nakikitang mga wild fruits. Like wild grapes, wild berries. Pero ngayon, ang marami is wild berries. Parang may tao. May tao kasi kanina dun sa spot na lagi kong pinupuntahan. Kaya di mo na ako nag-video. So marami pa namang berries dito tayong makikita. Like ito. Nakakuha ko ng dalawa. Matamis yung isa. Nahulog ko yung isa. La la la. La 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 la. Asa na ang berries? Hindi ko alam kung anong fruit to. Baka lasong. Huwag na nating i-try. Ang dami pa dito oh. Ano? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ang dami. Edible kaya to? Ano ba to guys? Edible ba to? Hindi ko kasi alam kung edible to. Ito meron pang mga wild berries dito. Pero maasim-asim pa tong mga to. Ayun. Meron pa dito guys, marami. Ang mga berries nagkalat lang. Let's see. Tingnan nyo. This wild. Ang dami oh. Dahil ko dito. Ang tamis niya. Look. Oh, oh. Good. Ang dami niya guys oh. Tapos walang kumakain. Look. Diba? Tingnan niyo. Number. Daming berries. Kyle wanna show his plants. This are your plants. Yeah. Hi Grace, good morning. You have more?
I have too much plants.
You have too much plants?
Yeah.
And then the mushroom, can you show me the mushrooms? Here, mushroom.
Mushroom.
Oh, they are so cute, Kyle.
Huh?
Those mushrooms are so cute. Don't kill them.
And also I have more. Try. More mushrooms.
More mushroom, guys.
And also I have more.
Where?
No more?
I think there.
What?
Here, guys. Here. That one, guys. And show them again your garden, Kyle.
I already saw you.
Huh?
I already saw you.
Again. Your apple.
The apple.
Oh.
The stray eat it.
Oh. The squirrel eat it?
Yeah.
Oh. And then can you tell me what are these plants, Kyle?
This is vegetables.
These are vegetables. And then
This is grapes.
the grapes. Where's the grape?
But here.
Oh, right here.
This is purple.
It's purple.
Yeah. And also,
And also what? Ay, show them your squash. Your squash.
this one.
The squash. Again, the squash. Whoa, very.
One.
I didn't know that squash can live here in Canada. Could live.
Yeah.
Look guys, oh, they are flowering now. Yeah, it's very nice, Kyle.
It's so cute.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
It's cuter than you.
Yeah.
Oh, look guys, oh. Wow. Huh? You need to pee, not here. Go inside.